Hi, this is Mike Gould with Forex Winners Academy, and thanks for watching. Hey, today I want to talk about the major currency pairs that we watch. Okay, there's dozens and dozens of pairs to look at. There's lots of exotics, but we look at the major pairs. Okay, I'm talking about the Euro USD, the Great British Pound versus the USD, which is also called the cable, the Euro Pound, the Euro Yen, the USD versus the CAD, which is also called the Loonie. We also look at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, which is called the RU, and the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, which we call the Kiwi. And we also look at the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. So with these major pairs, there's lots and lots of information, there's a lot of diversification, and you don't have to get caught up in bizarre happenings in particular countries as things are happening, okay? So what we do is we look for the strong currencies versus the weaker currencies. So the stronger currencies, the US dollar just had a lift off, and so what's happening is that the US dollar is expanding. And the Australian and New Zealand and Canadian dollars are all contracting because of they're heavily dependent on commodities. So we look for temporary rallies in the Australian, the New Zealand, and the Canadian versus the US dollar or the Great British Pound or the Japanese yen, and we take advantage of that whole situation, okay? So if you want to find out more information, I invite you to join our free live webinar training room. And there's no sales pressure, no gimmicks, just honest advice on how to trade with success. Give us a call for more details on how to join at 512-522-8640. Thanks for watching.